A few weeks ago, this guy, Peter Steinberger, introduced ClowdBot or OpenClaws. As we know, he is the cloud father. Then, lots of people launched social media for agents, followed by dating websites for agent. This shit escalated by far in few days. That's okay, but the real catch with OpenClaws or CloudBot is that it takes a lot of time to get installed. I just figured it out. It requires around 15 to 30 minutes or even around 45 minutes to install. And if you are a beginner, it sucks. So, a guy named Savio created SimpleClaw.com. Here is SimpleClaw. It promises to deploy CloudBot in under 1 minute. This is obviously for non-technical people, because to install CloudBot, you need some level of terminal skills. If you are a beginner, I would request you to stay away from CloudBot on your personal device or use it on a VPS if you do not have another computer to run it, because you directly give all the access to the LLM model. Although there are safeguard methods, but still it poses a security risk. So, SimpleClaw simply allows you to deploy in under 1 minute and connect it to Telegram. These other features are coming soon. Let's see how we can connect it. Go to sign in and continue with your Gmail. Once you're done, click on Telegram. Here, you have to go to Bot Father. I will show you how you can create a bot. /start new bot. We will give it a name. Okay. Congratulations, we got our bot. Let's copy this HTTP API address and paste it here. Save and connect. As you can see, we have our bot here. Okay, start. It's not operational yet. We have to connect it here. If you click on Deploy Flow OpenClaws, it will ask you for $50. The website is pretty good. It is currently for sale. It's generating $17,000 MRR. And is listed for around $225,000. So guys, that is literally too much. And it made me question the website. Maybe something was off. I will tell you whether you should go for it or not. There are only 3 cases where you should use SimpleClaw. First, if you are having trouble with terminals, that is, you are beginner. Second, if you do not have another PC to run it on. Third, if you just want to experience it. Also, if you have a low-end machine which can't satisfy the requirements, 1 GB RAM, 4 GB disk, and Node.js. Basically, the idea behind OpenClaws, if you check the OpenClaws GitHub, is that it's a personal assistant, and it must be personal. And I think SimpleClaw just has multiple servers in the background with all prerequisites like Node.js, etc. installed. As mentioned, everything, including Node.js and OpenClaws, is installed in the background. You just have to connect your Telegram. However, we don't know anything about the security regarding your API keys, etc. on the SimpleClaw. It's up to you if you want to use SimpleClaws or not. Instead, if you are just exploring, you can join it. Although it is pretty expensive at $50 and doesn't specify any limits. If you have a low-end machine, you can go with NanoBot. It's an ultra-lightweight AI assistant inspired by ClowdBot. It has around 14,000 likes, whereas ClowdBot has around 178,000 likes. I have also created a Python script for you to install ClowdBot directly. I will put the script in the description. Let me download it and add it there. If you want to experience OpenClaws, please note this video is not sponsored by SimpleClaw or OpenClaws. I just want to spread knowledge. Obviously, most people do not have the time, patience, or terminal skills to install ClowdBot, so this website is great for them. If you have experience with terminals, you can go to OpenClaws directly as it is free. If you want free API keys for ClowdBot, you can check out the video I previously created. Thanks for watching, guys. All the links and materials is in the description, and have a great day.